Playing. Charleston.
Plan.
Level 1. It goes like this. We did kickaways, so we had kick away and ha and kick away. We came back. That's how we got out of kickaways. We get into it kind of the same way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, we can count the same way. We could go 1, 2, 3, 4. We're done. Getting in and out of it, almost the same. Same timing. Either I get the hand on the hip and I say, go. I could say, go again. Or I could say, we're done. Y'all did a great job with that stuff.
Followers, remember that you'll fit differently with every leader, but it might be on top of the shoulder or it might not be. But if you do land on top of the shoulder, you just don't want to be dragging on them or using them for balance too much.
Get off me. Then we did a little practice stuff. We practiced doing these big old kicks. Hey, hey, and actually like having some leading and feeling there. And then we talked about going and stopping. We were like, hey, let's go somewhere. Let's stop going somewhere. We just practiced that a bunch.
Followers, it got way, way better when we weren't looking at feet and trying to guess, when we were actually just trying to ride the feeling. Following got way better, and we weren't giving weird feedback to the leaders so they could start leading better.
The leaders got better too. OMG!
Oh my God.